It's raining. Welcome. It's raining. Look at this. It's crazy. Welcome back to the episode. But it's pouring. We're going inside. Let's go inside because rain came hard. No playing outside today. Who knows if we'll go to the park tomorrow if it keeps raining like this. We're going inside, so yeah. Please subscribe and like the video. That rain was no joke, but it looks like it calmed down. The sun is shining. So let's go outside and walk the dog. So let's go take him for a walk. Yeah, yeah. It's a hot one today, boys. Walking the dog, you know. Hey, took 2 dumps already. Back to back. Boys, something. But whatever. I only got 1 bag. Still gonna go up. Then we're gonna go back. Then probably just chill upstairs a little bit. Then we'll go upstairs, you know. I'm running out of bags, and I don't got a limited bag, so I cannot be walking here forever. I decided to take my sister to the park, because yesterday it was raining, and today's a nice day. So why not go to the park? Definitely had to get some dollar slushies. Why not? It's good. We got some slushies, and we're going to enjoy the park. I'm going to play some music on my headphones and enjoy the park.
I know, that's why.
Always gonna thunder. Either way, we're going home. I'm gonna take a picture. That's enough park for today. We'll see about tomorrow. Right now it's gonna rain. No thunder. We'll get home. We don't get caught up. So let's see ya somewhere else. We're back, Charlie. Nobody's here. Alright, let's go eat some wings. So while the weather's horrible outside, why not play some MLB?
As he'll take a look at the pitch too low, it's ball 1. First shot for him here with a runner at first now and 1 away. Swung on and missed, 1-1. And this is on the ground is short, could be 2. In time to first, and there are 2 away.
Yeah, I could have done 2. Could have done 2.
Coming to the plate now, John Lester. And he could give his guys an early lead if he can come through here. Taking it in there is Hicks for the final out of the inning. A swing and a drive to center field. That one's got a chance, and that'll get down for a base hit. So he goes after the first pitch, and it's early trouble here this half of the inning.
Well, Matt, it's early in the game, I know that, but that is already the 6th hit as they lead off this inning right here to get it going again. They are swinging the bats.
Now the first pitch here from Lester. Line drive to left. That gets down, and he's got himself a base hit.
Woo!
Stepping in and ready for another shot, Gary Sanchez. A base hit in his first trip. First offering on its way. Oh, this
go!
To deep.
Yo, look at that. Hey.
And out of here. And I mean, plenty. That ball was crushed.
What? Crushed it.
So a 3-run blast to deep center here. And just like that, it's now a 5-2 ball game. I'm sure you know what's coming after that bomb. That's right. Let's check it out on Showtrack. And as the numbers come in, we see it was projected at over 450 feet. An incredible home run to watch.
You can't handle me. I'm bringing too much spice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
His second home run.
Love you in perfection every angle. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know when. Look at that.
You can't afford to give up home runs. You just cost too much of the plate.
Out of here. Home run. What? Yeah, another home run.
Even wider.
Look at this. Gotta show y'all. Home run though.
Well, as a team, they've gone yard 4 times. And this guy's accounted for half of them. No to all pitchers the rest of the game.
Go!
If this guy comes to the plate, you might want to.
all my
So
home
a
runs.
two-run shot to left center as they just continue to pour it on here.
Oh, you can see my legs. Another home run, baby. Hey, look at that.
Well, he didn't have to supply a whole lot of power with that one. He catches the fastball, and all he had to do is just really make a nice swing, which he did right there. And that ball just did not stop carrying.
Still out here hitting home
Two-run
runs.
blast to
Look at
straight
that.
away right field.
Hey.
It's getting pretty comical now. Their 6th home run of the game, and they're not done yet. They say hitting is contagious, and apparently that applies to the long ball. It's looking like
Back to back.
A solo shot here to left. His 3rd home run of the ball game as this lead got even wider.
Having a good game. I know you guys loving this.
Well, in hockey, they call it a hat trick. Hitting 3 home runs in one outing is a heck of a lot harder and a lot more rare. He's having an afternoon he'll never forget.
Whoa, another home run with Aaron Judge. Oh, yeah.
Two-run shot to straight away left. His 4th in the ball game as they just continue to pour it on here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now, talk about having a great day. 4 home runs in one game. I would say that's more than great. That's a spectacular day.
3
Another one.
down the line and
Another
right
one.
as the blowout continues.
Wow, he really hit that ball well. He's got great extension and didn't miss the pitch.
Hey, I'm smoking this thing. Oh, I just did it.
Solo shot to right center. His 5th in this game as this lead got even wider.
Ah! What you guys talking about? I did a 5th one. What is this? Child's play. This is MLB The Show, baby.
Home run of the game for him?
Woo!
Wow, we will never see this again. This is history in the making. 5 home runs in the game.
History
He's
in the
had 5
making.
Great swings.
Yeah. I did a grand slam.
So he promptly unloads the bases with that one. His 3rd home run of the ball game as they just continue to pour it on here.
Woo! We cooking. I'm gonna show you the good parts of the game. Later home run, I'm showing y'all.
Oh, man.
If I don't,
Second
you ain't seen
might
nothing.
come out of this unscathed. But after that towering grand slam, he's about as scathed as you can get.
Grand slam. I win.
It saved your closure
Yeah.
for another day. A comfortable victory.
30
He just
to 4
dabbed.
this afternoon.
Dab.
John Lester.
Let me show y'all the score. 30-4. I smoked them. Go play again. But I'm not gonna show y'all because you already seen enough of too much amazingness. Yeah, buddy. So listen to the game. They're playing PNB Rock in the stadium. And they boogie, I don't know. Hey, we lit. My game is loaded with tracks. Hey, you can't mess with this MLB. I can't really tell, as you can see. You can't see nothing. But I think a candle is on, so I guess we should go ahead and turn it off before anything happens. I was gonna leave it on, but I'm afraid something's gonna burn. On. I think the candle is on. That's just the light. Anyway, let's go check to make sure. I was right. The candle is on. This candle was on. So I'm gonna go turn it off before the house burns down. So I'm gonna shut off slowly. Okay, I guess that's it. I guess we can go to bed. Go to bed, so good night. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, I'll see you on tomorrow's episode, and I'll catch you later. Good night. Say goodbye. Subscribe and like the video. Night night. Look.